Hedman. I'm a member of the Precious Water Co-op, the maker of the EcoWash. What I want to try and do is give you a rough idea of how the system works. Basic idea is to use the pump of the washing machine to move the water up into storage. It's a 20-gallon storage tank, and that typically is what each cycle of water used amounts to. If you want to save it, you turn this valve in the save position. I'll put the pump on here. This would be a load that is now exiting. You should be able to see it. As soon as it goes into the save mode, you should see it start saving the water in this tank. Yeah, you can see the line here as it comes up. The whole unit sits on this metal stand, and it in turn, then the whole unit, a strap goes over and ratchets down so that it's absolutely solid. This thing, even if, like I sometimes earn the blame of my wife, I put an uneven load in and it starts shaking. That doesn't affect this. This thing is on there absolutely solid. So the water now is being saved. You can save any load of any cycle of water. A lot of people save the first soapy cycle for the next load, the soapy cycle. But you can also save the final rinse from a load of whites, say, and use it for the first water cycle and add some soap and, say, some color clothes. So the main thing is you can save any cycle and use it at any time at the next wash. A very important feature of this is that this, unlike some water-saving devices that are on the market, you don't need another sink, a laundry tub next to the washing machine. So anyone in an apartment can use this. They don't have to. It's adaptable to almost all situations. Another important feature is an overflow device. Say you're saving and you want to go away and you don't want to just watch it. Well, this overflow system allows you not worry about that. Worry about overflow. When it goes up to this level, it simply kicks out into the sewer, so you have no problem of overflow. I think I'll stop it pretty soon and show you the other side of where you actually then use the stored water. Let's assume that the thing is done its exhaust and it's all saved. And let's assume that we have a new load. What you do is you take this flexible hose, and there's a simple little two-way valve here. You turn it into the, so it can flow into the tank. And that's then how you save really massive amounts of fresh water. And if you have a septic tank or a holding tank, you'll of course want to reduce your sewer output. So every time you save this 20 gallons, you're reducing your freshwater use by 20 gallons and reducing your septic or holding tank load by 20 gallons. So we think that it's easy, it's absolutely simple to install. You just put this on and put the strap and make some very simple connection. That's it. No maintenance problem because it doesn't have its own pump. Nothing can go wrong. The valves are very high quality. The tank is very, very solid.